Little waterway we're in right now, we call it the Bird Island Pass. That's Bird Island there on the right hand side, but geographically it's Julia's Island. If you look on the beach there, you'll see they put some signs up trying to protect something that's nesting over there this time of year. What do y'all think is nesting over there on Bird Island? Birds. Bird Island. See least-term bird out of South America. Little waterway here on the left we call Hospital Creek. And if you look down there, you'll see a one-story house with a brown roof. That was a hospital right after the Civil War era.